This one was around 2,45,000 something.
Okay.
Dresses for 30,000. I've paid 29,000 the custom.
I got reminded of your looks from Anupama, the Kinjal looks. What was the process of creating the closet of the character?
कभी कभी लड़ लेती थी कि मुझे वो पहनना है, मुझे भी चाहिए. प्रॉब्लम तो होती थी, बट ठीक है, यू गेट यूज्ड टू इट. तो चोरी ना कर ले. तो ये बैग वाज वन ऑफ देम. मैंने इसको कैसे लाया है, ये मेरा ही दिल करता है. सबसे एक्सपेंसिव ये है एलवी का.
Okay.
और मैं रिग्रेट भी करती हूँ उसे बाय करना. Oh hi Jasween, come.
Hello
So-
Nidhi.
Hi, so good to see you.
What's up with you?
Nothing, I'm making chai. सही टाइम पे आई है. You
है ना?
have chai with me?
Yes, I'm very excited for your chai. Cheers on that.
Cheers. चलें?
चलते हैं.
Welcome to my room. So now that you have come here to
Yes.
see my closet,
Okay.
I'm going to start with my bags. Okay, I'll start with Louis Vuitton bag.
Of course, the
Yeah.
LV.
LV. This is the LV bag.
Wow.
It's been a couple of years that I bought it, and ये सबसे ज़्यादा मैंने use किया है because it goes on everything.
It's very good. I have
Yeah.
the same in white.
Really?
Yeah, it's really good.
It goes on everything.
Yes, I
Yeah.
regret not buying this color also because white doesn't go with everything.
Yeah, and I'll tell you something. This was my first luxury brand bag. Like this is my first Prada bag that I bought it from Dubai.
Hmm.
It was my first ever luxury expensive bag.
And how
This was
much
the
was
second.
this one for?
This one was around 2,45,000 something.
Okay.
Other thing is, I'll show you. Wait.
Okay.
लंदन में मैंने ये YSL की बैग खरीदी थी. It's so cute and pretty. I love it. It goes on all my party wear clothes.
It has a little sling
Sling,
situation
yeah,
also.
Yeah. So I mostly wear it on my black dresses. It's pretty.
Yeah. It's a classic
Yeah,
YSL.
it's a
I love
classic
it.
YSL.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I quite like it.
But I heard from somewhere that you have this thing of gifting yourself a new bag whenever you're doing a new project.
Yes.
तो वो कहाँ से आया?
मेरी एक फ्रेंड है, भूमिका हरवानी करके है. उसने बहुत साल मुझे पहले ये कहा था कि निधि, डोंट बाय टू मेनी बैग्स.
Okay.
यू नो, ऑलवेज गिफ्ट योरसेल्फ वन. जब तू एक प्रोजेक्ट साइन करती है,
Oh.
दैट्स अ गुड आइडिया. वो फील भी होता है कि यार आई हैव अर्नड इट.
Gratification.
Yes. So this is the bag that I bought it from Paris.
Oh, another LV. Wow.
I love this bag. लेने के बाद मुझे अच्छा लगा, पर अब मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है ये बहुत heavy है.
Heavy है?
Heavy
Can
है.
I?
हाँ, just see.
Oh, it is.
It is very heavy.
Yes.
And when you put a lot of things, तो ये और भी
और
heavy हो
heavy हो
जाता
जाता
है.
है.
So yeah, I use it.
Hmm.
But इसके पीछे एक स्टोरी है. ये मैंने बहुत डर के लिया था. So what had happened? मैं पेरिस गई थी कुछ काम से,
Hmm.
और मैं अकेले ट्रैवल कर रही थी,
Okay.
और मैं अकेले शॉपिंग गई थी. तो वहाँ पे ना, इट्स लाइक कि अगर आप कुछ एक्सपेंसिव चीज लेकर जा रहे हो और अकेले जा रहे हो, तो आप भूल जाओ, या तो वो चोरी हो जाएगी,
Oh, yes.
या तो कुछ हो जाएगा. तो मुझे याद है मेरे पास 3 बड़े बैग्स थे, और मैं इतने डर के खरीदे, और डर के मैं होटल तक गई हूँ कि प्लीज मैं अकेली हूँ, मेरा लाइक कोई मुझे पेरिस ना कर ले, कोई चोरी ना कर ले. तो ये बैग वाज वन ऑफ देम. मैंने इसको कैसे लाया है, ये मेरा ही दिल करता है. आई एम नॉट किडिंग, क्योंकि वहाँ पे थोड़ा मेरा एक्सपीरियंस
Was bad, ना?
was
बहुत
not
stories.
that good, to be
Okay.
very honest.
Okay.
वहाँ पे चोरी एंड ऑल,
Yes.
भाग के चीजें लेकर जाना, it's too common over there.
Yeah.
This was again from Bershka, from London itself. तो ये मैंने लिया था पिंक. I was obsessed with pink.
Yeah, clearly.
I wanted everything to be pink.
Yeah.
Pink. These are from Zara.
Okay.
Sequence ones and all.
You need one of them, I feel, है ना?
Yeah, you do.
Yes.
So this is another bag. It's from Marc Jacobs. ये मैंने ड्यूटी फ्री से लिया था.
That's a smart purchase.
Yeah. So मैं सिंगापुर से घर आ रही थी यहाँ
हाँ.
पे, तो वहाँ पे मैंने ये देखा था, तो I'm like, yeah, it's cute,
Yeah.
it's usable. मेरे पास व्हाइट बैग में कुछ नहीं था, तो मैंने ये खरीद लिया.
वहाँ सिंगापुर से आ रहे थे तो कोई चार्ल्स एंड कीथ थी क्या?
Of course. ये देखो, मैंने ज्यादा नहीं खरीदा, बट ये बैग थी.
Oh, it's a very cool one.
It's a cute one, and one more I bought it another, but I think उसका color थोड़ा fade out हो गया because
Okay.
it's been a year. So these 2 bags I've bought it from Charles and Keith, and उसके footwears मैंने बहुत खरीदे थे. It's too good.
Too good.
And they have, I don't know, for some reason they have better collection than India. I don't know why.
Yeah, they do.
And I'm like, ये इंडिया में क्यों नहीं है? और है ही नहीं, और इतना cheap. Like half of the price what they sell it here.
Yes, it's like grocery shopping.
So yeah. So you saw my bags collection.
Yes.
Now I'm going to show you my clothes collection. So these are my dresses.
Okay, I want to know your first most expensive dress if you have in.
My most expensive dress is here.
Okay.
I bought it from US. So it's from Cult
Guy, yeah.
Cult Guy, huh?
Yeah.
So I really liked it. So Kiara Advani was wearing one of these. Yeah, she wore the same one in green color.
Okay.
And I was like, yeah, she's looking so hot. I want to see what is she wearing and what brand is it. So that's how I was like, okay, let's just fall for it. And it was pretty expensive back then.
How much was it back then?
Around 60K.
That's expensive for
Yeah,
a dress.
60K.
Yes.
This is the one. Because for dresses that we are going to wear it just once, it's like... This is from London. This is another expensive dress. So एक stupid चीज मुझसे ये हो गई थी कि मैं लंदन ट्रिप के लिए जा रही थी और लंदन की ड्रेस मैंने इंडिया मंगवा ली. ऐसा भी नहीं कि वहीं पे जाके मैंने उधर ही होटल में मंगवा ली. तो ये स्टुपिडिटी क्या की मैंने कि मैंने उसको वही ड्रेस को इधर मंगवा ली और मैंने कस्टम्स के लिए इतना पैसा दिया है और डबल द प्राइस ऑफ व्हाट दिस ड्रेस इज ऑफ लाइक दिस. यहाँ इफ दिस ड्रेस इज फॉर 30,000 आई हैव पेड 29,000 द कस्टम्स. आई डोंट नो फॉर व्हाट. मैंने पूछा इतना पैसा क्यों, तो बोलते इतना ही है, ऐसा ही है, लेना है तो ले लो. और उधर पड़ा था फॉर 1 week एंड आई एम लाइक
You should have, yeah, exactly. वहीं जाके.
इतनी स्टुपिडिटी कौन कर सकता है. मैं एंड फिर उसको पहनने के बाद मुझे ऐसा कुछ फील ही नहीं आया. व्हाट अ वेस्ट. मैंने इधर ही लंदन में मंगवा ली होती.
I see a lot of Indian wear also here. I'm very intrigued. ये क्या पीस है?
दिस वन.
Yes.
इसके पीछे भी एक कहानी है. 4 years back my best friend got married.
Okay.
उसकी मेहंदी थी, संगीत था, बारात, रिसेप्शन, 4 फंक्शंस थे और मुझे चारों में हॉट लगना था. I want to be the best dressed. I didn't care about what my best friend is wearing. So I'm like, I'm going to go to this brand called Papa Don't Preach by Shobhika.
Yes.
I'm obsessed with her clothes.
Yes.
And she's very good for sundowner, kind of theme. And
Yes.
like she has good stuff for wedding.
Very funky also.
Very funky,
Yeah.
very chic and all.
Yeah.
So I bought this. I'm going to show it to you.
Okay.
So I bought this and it's pretty heavy also.
It's beautiful.
It's pretty. I love it.
Oh,
I
it's like
want to wear it again.
It's like a pre-draped sari.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
This is the outfit.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah, and this is the pallu thing. Like it comes from here.
Okay.
Yeah. Isn't it pretty?
It's so beautiful.
I'll tell you something.
Yeah.
I bought this dress, this outfit, and I'm like, listen now. What are you wearing for your mehendi? She's like, something like this. मैंने बोला, mine is heavy. Is it okay? So she's like, no, it's not okay. I'm the bride. I'm like, अब मैंने खरीद लिया, मैं पहन रही हूँ. तो बोलती मुझसे दूर रहना, मेरे साथ फोटो मत लेना. तू रह पार्टी में लेकिन मैं ब्राइड लगनी चाहिए. I'm like, yeah, ठीक है. And actually मेरा heavy था उससे.
Okay.
मेहंदी में she was pretty heavy according to what she wanted to wear, but I was very heavy. Her mom was also like, why is she wearing so much heavy? And this was really expensive.
Yeah.
Very
तो
expensive.
फिर यूज करना बनता था I feel.
हाँ यार, मेरे को
तो कहाँ और पहनोगे?
कहाँ और क्यों पहनो नहीं मैं यार. बाद में कौन पहनेगा later and all that. So this is
Yes.
I bought this and like these are all my first like
Okay.
first sari, first lehenga.
I want to see your first sari.
So this again I bought it for her reception because
Wow, you spent a good amount of money on her wedding.
Yeah,
clothes.
I did. And
Yeah.
my co-actors were like, what are you shopping for since a month? And like I used to call them and ask them, is this looking nice? What should I wear? What should I wear? So I was like kind of obsessed with all these designer lehengas
Yes,
and saris back then. So this is from Esha Thanani. She's from Calcutta and they have feathers. This is the feather thing.
This is also pre-draped sari.
Yes.
Oh.
Can you just hold this?
Yes.
I'll keep this.
I think it's such a good idea for bridesmaids because
Yes.
it's easier.
Yeah.
ज़्यादा time taking भी नहीं है.
No, but I can wear sari. Like I know how to drape a sari.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the sari and this is the pallu.
Okay.
It's so pretty.
It's gorgeous. I
Yeah.
love it.
I like the feather thing.
Yeah.
It's
The
cute.
entire 3D thing is very good.
Yeah. This was my first ever expensive sari.
Sari. ये भी sarees हैं.
Huh, this sari is from Raw Mango and I love the
Top
collection.
Raw Mango.
Love it, love it, love it. And the color is also pretty.
Very beautiful.
So this is the sari my mom gifted me last year
Wow.
for Diwali.
Special.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Have you stolen something from your mom's closet?
Nothing because
Or does she from yours?
every time. Every time. She starts complaining कि why do you spend so much and then she's like, "ए वो देना, वो अच्छा था, मैं लेके जा रही हूँ." So she hates when I buy a bag, but then she's the one who uses it the most, yeah.
इसमें से मुझे आपका एक और पीस जानना था जो आपके कोई शूट से रिलेटेड है. Is there a lucky outfit? Like ये आप पहनते ऑडिशंस के टाइम?
है, मैंने अभी यहाँ पे रखा था because I knew it, तुम ये सवाल मुझसे पूछोगे, तो मैंने सामने ही रखा है. So this is the kurti
Yes.
that I wear it. I have
Okay.
worn it for my first show. for this upcoming Amazon show. And उसमें भी मैंने ये पहना, ये भी audition के लिए पहना था. And it's just very close to my heart.
तो वो lucky है.
It's lucky and I look very pretty.
Yeah, it's a beautiful color, I must
you.
say. I got reminded of your looks from Anupama, the Kinjal looks. What was the process of creating the closet of the character? और क्या क्या चीजें थी जो आप ऐसे थे कि नहीं यार ये नहीं करना?
So basically my character was of a independent girl.
Yes.
I was modern yet traditional, you know, like she has certain that touch of Indianness in her. So I made sure that, you know, whatever I wear, it's classy and subtle.
Yes.
Not over the top, not loud. So you can see also that I used to wear very nice simple clothes with simple hair. I never used to go overboard that much until and unless it's required. Like
हाँ कोई बहुत बड़ा सीन है शादी या कुछ का.
शादी का तो वो वैसे भी उसका शूट 15-15 दिन चल रहा था, तो I used to make sure that मैं कम ही heavy पहनूं ताकि मैं उसको you know survive कर सकूं इतना heavy jewelry को.
Okay.
Because बहुत घंटों की घंटों पहनना होता था.
हाँ.
And the best part to look beautiful on screen is to be minimal.
Okay.
You know, like don't go over the board. Like if you wear something heavy ना तो आप कम दिखोगे, आपकी चीजें ज्यादा
दिखती हैं.
आपको क्या दिखाना है कैमरा पे, आपका काम, आपके एक्सप्रेशंस, आपकी ब्यूटी. सो आई यूज्ड टू मेक इट दैट वे, लाइक सिंपल एंड एलिगेंट. कभी कभी लड़ लेती थी कि मुझे वो पहनना है, मुझे भी चाहिए, बट देन ठीक है, इट्स यूज्ड टू गो स्मूथली.
या
प्रॉब्लम तो होती थी, बट ठीक है, यू गेट यूज्ड टू इट.
I hear that you invest a lot in gold, which is very interesting because अभी तक मैं किसी को नहीं मिली ऐसे जो classic way में spend कर रहा है money and invest.
I want to show you something.
Okay.
A lot of people, like when they get their paychecks, or something, so they spend a lot of money depending on bags, on you know, watches, jewelry.
Shoes.
Yeah, shoes. I spend it on gold.
Okay.
Yeah. So basically जो मैंने first purchase किया था वो मेरी mom के लिए किया था.
Wow, so
I like to wear them,
but
मैं इतना use नहीं कर पाती हूँ because मैं चीजें खो देती हूँ.
Okay.
So this is something Maharaja type necklace.
Beautiful.
Yeah. This is something that I bought it for my mother.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the gold that I bought it for Diwali.
This was which year?
It's I think 2021.
Okay.
Has to be 2021. ठीक है, तब से I've started investing in gold, and I'll show you some more.
How frequent do you make these purchases?
Once in a year.
Once in a
year, maybe twice. Small things is like in every 5 months.
Okay.
And big ones once in a year because they're expensive.
Yes, they are.
So this is my favorite neck piece.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Also, I want to show you something what my mom gave it to me.
Okay.
It's this bracelet. I have to. It's so pretty.
It's like a handcuff or something.
Oh, yeah.
It's so beautiful.
This is my mom's. इन्होंने बहुत सालों पहले लिया था. And she's given me this, and it's very pretty. I love it.
Beautiful. Actually, it's trending these days.
Yeah.
The design.
So these are the things I like to invest in.
Full skincare adda, I can see. My God.
Yeah.
Which is your signature perfume from this one?
My go-to has to be YSL.
YSL, I love YSL.
It's just forever, and this is my favorite. It's Symphony by Louis Vuitton.
The bottle is so beautiful. I love the cap.
It's good, and the perfume smells.
And I also hear that you are a little obsessive over sunglasses. A little bit.
Yes.
So थोड़े से वो pieces भी देख लेते हैं.
Yeah, sure. Why not? I would love to.
Let's
show
go.
you guys. It's Prada.
Okay.
I love it. इस पे ड्रेस पे भी जा रही है.
बहुत सही लग रहा है. ऐसा लग रहा है हम इटली में बैठे हैं अभी. Italian summer because it matches your outfit.
Yeah.
I love it.
I love it. It goes on almost all my dresses. It's very, you know, day wear, summer vibes and all. So it's pretty good. I love it.
Very cool. Yeah. सबसे expensive कौन सा वाला है इसमें से?
I'll tell you something. सबसे expensive ये है LV का.
Okay.
और मैं regret भी करती हूँ उसे buy करना because I just tried it on and she's like, it's looking fab on you. You should wear it. And then I realized it's so loud. It's so much like.
I know what you're saying.
Yeah, it's like I नो आई कांट वेयर एंड पर बाद में मुझे लगा कि मैंने इतना महंगा क्यों खरीदा एंड ट्रस्ट में मैंने इसे एक बार भी नहीं पहना है. ये मेरा फेवरेट है. इट्स एक्चुअली गिफ्टेड
Okay.
but it's my favorite. I love it.
Yeah.
Love it. I'm obsessed with it and I want to wear it on a regular basis but I can't.
Why you
It's
can't?
this one. This is
You don't want to ruin it इतनी जल्दी.
Yeah, I mean like हर चीज में पहनते रहोगे तो उसका थोड़ा वो कम हो जाएगा.
हो जाएगा. Also, Nidhi, as you know, this show is called HF Rates, so I can't let you go without taking something from your closet for your fans.
Yeah, definitely.
So what am I taking today?
So I have a dress for you now.
Okay.
It's very personal to me. Someone should.
Okay.
This is the dress.
I love the color. I love the color.
I love this color, to be very honest.
Yeah.
It's it's rare to find something like this because wine color is something I love and I'm obsessed. I bought it when I was celebrating my 25th birthday in Dubai.
Okay.
I especially flew to Dubai because I wanted to turn 25 in Dubai itself. So I bought this dress and I just
Wow.
wore it once, and after that I never got an opportunity chance to sort of wear this again. So I would like to give this to my fan or
Okay.
whoever the lucky person is. This dress is very special to me and I hope and I'm sure that you will look amazingly beautiful in this dress for sure. It's nice. So I'm
Great.
going to give it to you
Thank you so much.
with all my love.
Thank you. We're very excited for whoever is the lucky fan to get it.
Yeah.
Baki, thank you so much, Nidhi, for letting us into your closet, your wardrobe.
Thank you.
And I hope you had fun today.
I had an amazing time, to be very honest.
Okay.
And this is the first time I have actually, shown my personal space to somebody. It's been amazing. I had a wonderful conversation with you.
Great. We're very happy. And thank you for the chai, guys. You all have to try Nidhi's chai if you're lucky. So, yeah. बाकी तब तक के लिए बाय बोल दे सबको.
ठीक है?
Bye bye.
Bye.